Welcome to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most sought-after fitness topics: effective exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home to shed those extra pounds and achieve your weight loss goals. Whether you're new to working out or simply looking for fresh routines to spice up your fitness journey, you're in the right place. We understand that finding the time and motivation to hit the gym can be challenging, so we've put together a comprehensive guide featuring a range of dynamic exercises that require minimal equipment. Get ready to break a sweat, boost your metabolism, and kickstart your weight loss journey with these tried and true home workouts. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the exciting world of home workouts, let's talk about why these exercises are such a fantastic choice for your weight loss journey. First and foremost, exercising at home offers unparalleled convenience. You can say goodbye to long commutes to the gym and the hassle of finding parking spaces. Instead, you can work up a sweat right in your living room or backyard, saving both time and money. Plus, home workouts are incredibly flexible. You can fit them into your schedule at any time that suits you, whether it's early in the morning, during a lunch break, or in the evening. Additionally, by choosing to exercise at home, you're creating a comfortable and non-judgmental environment, which can be particularly motivating for beginners or those who might feel self-conscious in a gym setting. So, with these benefits in mind, let's get ready to transform your home into your very own fitness sanctuary. 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a quintessential full-body exercise that gets your heart pumping and burns calories effectively. To perform a jumping jack, start with your feet together and arms by your sides. In one fluid motion, jump while spreading your legs apart and raising your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat. This exercise not only improves cardiovascular fitness, but also engages multiple muscle groups, making it an excellent choice for your home workout routine. Aim to do jumping jacks for 30 seconds to 1 minute as part of your cardio warm-up or high-intensity interval training. HIIT. 2. Squats. Squats are a fundamental lower body exercise that targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your back straight. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you're sitting in an imaginary chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Squats are an effective way to build lower body strength while also burning calories. Start with 3 sets of 10, 15 squats, ensuring proper form throughout. 3. Planks. Planks are renowned for their ability to strengthen your core muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. To do a plank, get into a push-up position, but with your forearms on the ground, forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and hold this position for as long as you can. Planks are fantastic for building core stability and preventing back pain. Begin by holding a plank for 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration over time. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic upper body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up. If standard push-ups are challenging, you can modify them by doing knee push-ups or inclined push-ups with your hands on an elevated surface. Aim to incorporate 3 sets of 5, 10 push-ups into your routine, adjusting the difficulty as needed. 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic and effective exercise that elevates your heart rate, engages your core, and works your shoulders and legs simultaneously. Begin in a push-up position with your hands under your shoulders. Alternate bringing your knees toward your chest in a running motion. Mountain climbers are excellent for building cardiovascular endurance and toning your midsection. Include 30 seconds to 1 minute of mountain climbers in your workout routine for an added cardio boost. These 5 exercises, when performed with proper form and incorporated into a balanced workout routine, can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve overall fitness from the comfort of your home. If you found these home workout tips and exercises helpful in your quest for a healthier and fitter you, don't miss out on more exciting content in the world of health and fitness. For regular updates, in-depth guides, and expert insights, click on the description below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and want to join our ever-growing community of health enthusiasts, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.